What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Ideal Auto Factory, where we discuss everything RCs and vinyl wrapping. Today, we're going to be going over the FD-V3 lights by Mile High RC and the magnetic quick connect that he also offers. Mile High RC is a wonderful brand for the RC drift world. He offers like actual scale, like dashboards and steering wheels and proximity sensors, just to name a few. Just some very specific needs and wants in the RC drift community. Y'all go give him a follow. He was generous enough to send me a set of his V3 lights and then also send me the magnetic quick connect. I'm going to throw them on my car, but first, let's just test it out, see how user friendly it is. So let's get into the video. Keep God first. You already know how that goes. So here's the FD-V3 lights. It even says compact design, adjustable brightness, and calibration capable on the back label here. And here's the magnetic quick connect. It's 3 wires, so it should work with this. Now, what I'm going to do is give you a fresh view and my takeaways from it. I've had a set of FD lights before. Oh yeah, FD lights. Let's just talk about that for a second. Hold on. So in the one-to-one drift world, FD lights, they do this thing where they don't really go off your gas pedal or your brake pedal. What they do is they put a sensor in your car. They connect it to the lights. These lights can tell whether your momentum of the vehicle is increasing or decreasing, and of course, whether you're stopping, which gives the judges the ability to judge better. Because if you're brake checking somebody, if you're slowing down in a acceleration zone instead of a deceleration zone, then you're getting docked points and things like that. FD lights in the RC drift world, they haven't really gotten to that space yet. They just go off your throttle, trigger, and that's about it. So all you get is throttle calibration. So it's like calibrating a ESC, you should say, but then that's real FD lights versus RC drift FD lights. One last thing. I literally thought that FD lights would take off and be the most trendy / helpful thing for the RC drift community, but it isn't. Super G does not. I don't even think you can have lights on, like headlights on, while you're in the competition. But definitely when you're having fun, you can drift a lot with these lights. So it's way more fun drifting than there is competition drifting. But since they aren't used in competition, people haven't been spending as much money on them. These are pretty inexpensive. So I say it's a cool thing to have. Hopefully in the near future, we can adapt it to actually work like one-to-one drift cars. When I say we, I mean we as a RC drift community support the person that's going to actually do that so that they actually feel like they can do it. So whoever you are, make it happen and take my money. It's like, yeah, take my money. Here you go. All right, let's do it. So in the package, you get instructions, of course. Get instructions. Get some stickers. So you get stickers. Being stickers, they are not that great these days. All right, short male cable and ESC to the Y cable to the channel 2 to the short female cable to the Y cable to the front LED strips. If using Pro, long female, look, calibrate with the car lifted or motor wires removed. So much happening here on this one card. So much clarity into what needs to be done right here. And then there's a full instruction list right there. we got those. I'm going to hook it up and I'll be back. You know what? I didn't leave. I'm going to do everything right here because I have to actually be authentic and show you all step by step what it does for me. So we're going to take everything out the bag. This is the fancy box here. Then we got two splitters. Can you see both splitters? You can see both splitters. So that's a Y cable. That's a Y cable. And then we got the two lights. So I'm going to save myself some trouble here. We're going to wire up the two lights to a Y cable. We have orange to white, brown to black. Orange to white, brown to black. So I have one Y cable set up. I know for a fact, common sense tells me that this Y cable obviously goes into the throttle part of the ESC here. So we're going to run that there. All right, get that out. So now, run that here. Orange to white, black to brown. This now goes into the ESC, into the receiver. Come on, little guy. Get on in there. Orange to signal, black to ground. Now, I'm not saying this is pretty common sense or anything, but if you've set up any ESC or anything, this shouldn't be too crazy. The only thing that you got to really think about is how you're going to mount this. It does give you it's like TPU, I'm assuming 3D printed TPU little mounting thingies. I'm not sure how to use them, but luckily my vehicle has a roll cage in it, so I'll just stick them on there. Now, this right here obviously goes to the only place it can connect to. So far, I've read this thing once and I am having zero trouble installing this as far as getting the lights to work, because I'm not putting it in full on show mode until I know it works. And then here we are with the other side connected to the lights. Pretty straightforward to me. So let's see if I read it and did it right. So short male cable. The male is the side that's not female. So short male cable and ESC to a Y cable. Ooh. Short male cable. Let's see. Nope. There's no short male cable. To a Y cable to channel 2. So channel 2, let's go backwards. Channel 2, right there, to a Y cable. Got it. And then we got the ESC and a short male cable. There's no short male cable, so there's one difference between the instructions and this. This is the male cable and it's longer than the female cable because something inserts into that, and this is inserting into something. So that's definitely the male and that's definitely female. But either way, if I didn't read this, I would still know how to do this. So that's no fault of Mark at Mile High RC. It's kind of self-explanatory. Actually, it's really foolproof. So far, I don't know how you can plug this in wrong, like straight up. But I'm pretty sure there's a way because, that's why instructions are there. So let's just plug it back in. Don't have to worry about this. Calibrate with the car lifted or motor wires removed. So I'm going to just take the pinion off. That's my simplest route here. My pinion is removed. I need a battery. And then I need to get what? What do I need? I don't need a battery and a remote. Then I can make some things happen. Be right back. So I'm going to turn it on. Just make sure the model's correct. Yep. Got the model there. All right. Throttle works. We're good there. So now we're going to make a nice connection with positive and negative here. Positive. Come on, neg. Let's go negative. Wait, so flip. We got plus. Then we got minus. Ooh, little pop. Just gonna let that sit. We're gonna let it sit right there. Not getting too crazy here. We're just doing our thing. Just taking our time doing our thing. All right. Now, I'm not trying to blow up stuff, so I'm actually going to read the instructions. There's nothing on the back of this, so I'm going to read it out loud. Hold button and power on to calibrate. 3 orange flashes indicates calibration start. Blue flashing, press button to set neutral. Green flashing, apply full throttle on transmitter, then press button. Okay, red flashing, apply full brake. Yeah, literally like calibrating an ESC. Yeah, apply full brake. Yeah, purple flashes indicate calibration complete. Ooh. Ooh. And then it tells you how to do it if things are in reverse. When powered on, press button to change brightness and color. Each brightness level has a red or green option if the LED strip is cut to fit window. Ooh, this is cool. There's a lot in this. All right. We're just going to go old fashioned. I'm going to just hold the power button on the actual box. There's a little power button here. So right under the GH of high, it's a little power button right there. That's the button. Okay, I'm gonna hold that. I'm gonna turn it on. Turn on the little car here. Let's flip the switch, buddy. All right, 3 orange flashes indicates. Nope, I didn't hold it long enough. Let's try that again. 3 orange flashes indicates calibration start. Let's wait for the 3 orange flashes. 2, 3. Hey, so now waiting on blue. So I'm just waiting. Wow, this is awesome. Because I remember my first experience with FD lights and it was not like this. So neutral is blue. I press the button that said neutral. Let's hold it, see what happens. Oh, purple. Now green. Oh, nice. Hold it. Got the purple. Now the brake with the purple. Nice. And let go. So we're in neutral. Ooh, and then the brake. Nice. Now look at that. Full modulation there too. Like, nope, barely any gas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo! And then you got full brake. Little brake. Yep. Yeah. Set. Now, you can change the brightness. All right, let's shut it off. Let's turn it back on. It's set. Oh, that's awesome. So, if calibration complete and whatever, apply whatever. Okay. Press button to change brightness and color. Each brightness level has a red or green option. The LED strip. Okay, so you can press the button to change the brightness. Ooh, nice. So, not as bright. I'm digging that because I don't need it that bright. So I like that. Let's see if that saves. Yep, that brightness saves. Cool. Next, we're going to shut it off. So I'm going to unplug it because this is what happens. Now we're going to pull out the magnetic quick connect. I'm going to see just how awesome this is. There's no power rating for this stuff. Nothing that says it will work the way I think it will. Nothing that says it won't. So we're going to plug in the quick connect this way and see if we get quick connect for the, should I do, yeah, it shouldn't be, oh, it should be there. Yeah. Nah, that's where it should be. Okay. So instead of being where it's at right now, in between the ESC and the box here, we're gonna plug the ESC back in because not every day we're gonna use the FD lights, right? So we're gonna put the magnetic quick connect with the, oh yeah, okay. So I'm thinking on the fly here, guys. This is why I like making certain videos like this. You get to kind of see me do my thing while I'm thinking about it. Hope you all are doing well out there. This is really awesome. I'm enjoying this. Mile High RC really hit it home with this one. All right. So ESC stays connected. I'm going to put the quick connect. Oh, don't fall over. I'm going to put the quick connect in between the FD lights and the receiver. So now we can check out what we got. So it should be the same thing once I find my battery again. Now, just for our own sake here, that's not going to reach. So let's go with the usual plus on the top, ground on the bottom. Now we just unplug the battery to see if everything works. All right, so the same rules apply. Still got everything, got brake fine, but now, oh man, I'm not running FD lights tonight, bro. Sorry. Still running fine. Still running fine. And here we go again. Back in action, bro. That's awesome. I'm really impressed. That was the, I mean, I did have my first time using FD lights. I had a SamWa setup, and SamWa was not liking what was going on, but also that was a year and some change ago, I want to say. I still have my GOM. Either way, I have that memory locked in, and this has been way better. I'm on a Radio Master MT12, and everything just worked. You saw me. I was blessed to just one time through. Done. So, hey, if you're looking into getting the V3 lights, my setup clearly is very transparent. Not cutting any of this out. So, with longer video, for the sake of being totally transparent and showing you a product that is pretty awesome, that's how we're going to do it. So, Mile High RC magnetic quick connect and the FD lights version 3, all working together to give you a good time. This has been another video in the Ideal Auto Factory. Thank you all for watching. Definitely check out Mile High RC for any RC drift related products, especially the FD Lights V3. Keep God first. Catch you on the next video. Peace.